Hello everyone. If you are planning for P6 EPPM 1Z0-567 exam, then I have a total of 84 questions for practice. You can just message me. I will help you in practice the questions, and I too have practiced these questions and cleared I0-567 exam for Primavera P6 EPPM. So guys. Uh, so I will show you how the interface is. So here you can check. Let's begin. So here you will see the questions. Okay. and uh, and this is the question. Okay, and this is the option. Okay. So select the true statement regarding live or submit data. In that way you can go. I have, suppose this is the first question. Okay, this is the first question. This is the second question. Okay, graphic representation is an example of third question. And application administrator that has been asked to create a portfolio for an execute. So I am not going to read all that, otherwise the video will be quite long. But this is the third question. So this is the fourth question, and each options are here. Basically, if you practice this question, definitely most of the questions will come from this test only, because I too have given and mostly came from here. So you can just keep it as a dump file which you can practice. Apart from that, if you have any material, you can refer that also. This is the fifth question. This is the sixth question. Okay. This is the sixth question, and these are the options. So just text me if you want the answers. I will send or email your answers also. Okay. So this is the seventh question, and these are the options. This one is eighth question. You can just read it. You can just pause it and read. And this is the options. So this is the nine question. You can pause here, and this is the options. You can pause here. This is the 10th question. You can pause and read the question, and this is the options. Okay. So this is the 11th question. So, and you can pause there, and you can read the pause and read the options. So in the 12th, 13, 14th question, 15th question, 16, 17, 18th question, 19th question, 20 question. So like that, I have 84 questions. So if you wanted this question, then let me know, and I will share with you or help you in passing the exam. You can practice.